Picture this, a massive machine the size of a three-story building crawling across the American landscape at just 15 feet per minute, laying down a river of asphalt that's smooth as glass and hot enough to glow in the infrared. This beast weighs over 200,000 pounds, costs more than most people's houses, and it's just one piece of an orchestrated symphony of engineering that's reshaping how America moves. Right now, somewhere in the heartland, US engineers are building roads using technology so advanced that other nations are scrambling to catch up. We're talking about machines that can grade earth to within a quarter-inch accuracy using laser guidance, pavers that communicate with satellites 12,000 miles above Earth, and rollers that can detect soft spots in asphalt through vibration analysis alone. The question isn't whether America builds roads, it's how they're building them so fast, so precisely, and on a scale that makes the rest of the world take notice. America has a road problem, but not the kind you might think. With over 4.19 million miles of paved roads crisscrossing the nation, the United States maintains the largest road network on planet Earth. Every single day, 228 million vehicles traverse these arteries of commerce and connection. But here's the staggering reality. Approximately 43% of public roadways are in poor or mediocre condition, and the cost of bringing them up to standard. Try $786 billion over the next decade. Traditional road construction methods simply can't keep pace with the demands of modern traffic climate extremes, ranging from Arizona's 120-degree summers to Minnesota's sub-zero winters, and the ever-increasing weight of commercial vehicles. The average interstate highway endures damage equivalent to 9,600 cars passing over it for every single 18-wheeler that rolls across its surface. Meanwhile, every day a major highway remains under construction costs the economy an estimated $25 million in lost productivity and wasted fuel. This isn't just about pouring concrete anymore. This is about revolutionizing an entire industry through cutting-edge technology, and American engineers are leading that charge. Before a single shovelful of earth is moved, modern U.S. road projects begin in the digital realm. Engineers now deploy fleets of drones equipped with LiDAR technology, firing millions of laser pulses per second to create three-dimensional maps accurate to within 2 centimeters. These aerial surveys can map 50 miles of proposed highway corridor in a single day, work that once took survey teams months to complete. The data feeds into building information modeling software that simulates how water will flow, where stress points will develop, and even how sunlight will hit different sections throughout the year. Soil samples are run through predictive algorithms that forecast how substrates will behave under decades of freeze-thaw cycles and heavy loads. GPS-guided bore samples create subsurface maps revealing everything from bedrock depth to underground aquifers that might cause settling. Engineers can walk through virtual reality renditions of the completed highway years before construction begins, spotting potential drainage issues or sightline problems from the driver's perspective. This digital foundation means that when machines finally arrive on site, they're executing a plan calculated down to the cubic yard. The materials flowing into modern American road construction are engineered composites with precisely calibrated ratios of aggregates, binders, and additives. Polymer-modified asphalts incorporate materials originally developed for aerospace applications, creating binders that remain flexible at -20 degrees Fahrenheit, yet don't soften and rut at 140 degrees. Some mixtures now include recycled rubber from over 12 million scrap tires annually, improving elasticity while solving a waste problem. But the real revolution is in intelligent machinery. The latest generation of asphalt pavers features ultrasonic sensors that detect mat thickness in real time, automatically adjusting material flow to maintain perfect consistency. These machines communicate wirelessly with material delivery trucks, optimizing the constant feed needed to prevent cold joints. Milling machines use diamond-tipped cutting teeth, arranged in patterns optimized by computer modeling, removing old pavement in a single pass. And the rollers have evolved into sensor platforms that measure density, temperature, and even asphalt stiffness using ground-penetrating radar, feeding data back to operators in real time. Watch a modern American road construction project and you're witnessing precision that rivals a Swiss watch factory, only at a scale measured in tons per minute. The process begins with massive excavators clearing right-of-way, but these aren't operating blind. GPS receivers mounted on the cab give operators three-dimensional positioning accurate to within an inch. The excavator's blade movements are guided by computers that know the target grade at every point, literally not allowing the operator to dig too deep. Motor graders follow with 12-foot blades using dual GPS receivers to ensure the blade angle matches the engineered road crown perfectly. The prepared subgrade is proof-rolled, while geophones detect any areas that deflect too much, indicating weak soil needing remediation. Soil stabilization comes next, with specialized machines cutting 18 inches deep while injecting and mixing stabilizers at precisely calculated rates. Modern vibratory rollers don't just compress material, they monitor it. Intelligent compaction systems use accelerometers to measure how the ground responds to each pass. creating color-coded maps showing compaction levels across every square foot. When asphalt finally arrives at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, the paver's screed floats on the material like a hot iron, its angle and pressure controlled by dozens of sensors responding hundreds of times per second. The laydown is so precise that deviation from target thickness of more than an eighth of an inch is considered a failure. The initial compaction happens while the asphalt is still above 280 degrees in what's called the compaction window, where the material is soft enough to compress but not so hot that aggregate particles can move independently. This window might last only 10 to 15 minutes, which is why breakdown rollers must work in perfect synchronization with the paver. Temperature sensors guide the rolling pattern, with operators targeting specific temperature ranges for different roller types. Vibratory rollers work at higher temperatures using rapid oscillation to densify the material, while pneumatic tire rollers follow at lower temperatures, kneading the surface to seal it. Throughout this process, nuclear density gauges measure how gamma rays scatter through the material, telling engineers if compaction is adequate. Modern projects also employ infrared thermal imaging, creating heat maps that reveal problem areas where material cooled too quickly. Quality control operates at a level that would astound engineers from even a generation ago. Automated testing begins before construction starts, with every truckload of aggregate scanned by laser particle size analyzers. Once paving begins, field labs test samples every few hundred feet. Ground-penetrating radar units mounted on survey vehicles send electromagnetic pulses into the new pavement, measuring layer thickness continuously. Falling weight. Deflectometers simulate the impact of a loaded truck wheel, measuring how much the pavement deflects under load. What really sets modern projects apart is the feedback loop. All this testing data flows back to engineers and plant operators, allowing real-time adjustments. If density readings are consistently low, the rolling pattern changes, or the mixture temperature increases. This is active process optimization happening at construction speed. When the rollers finish their final pass and the barriers come down, what emerges is more than just a road. It's an economic catalyst. The new highways built with these advanced techniques last 25 to 30% longer than roads built with conventional methods just a decade ago, a difference that translates to billions in reduced life cycle costs. A single mile of 4-lane highway can cost $8 to $10 million to build, but generates economic activity worth multiples of that investment. Agricultural regions gain reliable access to markets, with improved roads cutting crop spoilage from transportation delays. Emergency services response times drop, quite literally saving lives in critical minutes after accidents. The environmental impact is substantial too. Smoother roads reduce vehicle fuel consumption by an estimated 3 to 5%, and the use of recycled materials diverts millions of tons from landfills annually. Some states are now installing piezoelectric sensors beneath roadways, harvesting kinetic energy from passing vehicles to power streetlights. Perhaps the most profound impact is in the demonstration effect these projects create. When international delegations tour American construction sites and see GPS-guided graders achieving tolerances previously considered impossible, when they witness intelligent compaction systems creating uniform density across miles of roadway, they return home determined to modernize their own infrastructure programs. American road building technology has become an export, with construction firms and equipment manufacturers selling entire integrated systems to countries upgrading their networks. The genius isn't in any single innovation, it's in the systematic integration of dozens of advances into a construction methodology that delivers better roads, faster with less waste and greater longevity. The massive machines will keep rolling, the satellites will keep guiding, and American engineers will keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible when innovation meets infrastructure. These aren't just roads being built, they're monuments to human ingenuity, precision engineering, and the relentless drive to do things better. Are you amazed by what American engineering can accomplish? Drop a comment and let us know which part impressed you most. And if you want to see more deep dives into the mega projects and cutting-edge technology shaping our world, hit that follow button. The future is being built right now, one precisely graded, perfectly compacted mile at a time.